This 2025 Prime Time Avenger 25 MKB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, slide-out, leveling jacks, microwave, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, LP detector, smoke detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Prime Time Avenger 25 MKB is 6,316 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.